So they are still prepared for potentially being able to buy the dip around there. And here's the thing I mentioned in the beginning of the video. It's extremely important that you understand this. There are lots of put contracts with a strike at 40K. What gibberish are you saying, Parrot? Explain that. It's waka waka to me. Fine. There is 490 million notional, making it one of the largest strikes in the current cycle, okay? And this is because the people that understand options that are currently positioned on spot in pain, what they want is to get paid a lot if Bitcoin crashes into 40K. They are not intending potentially to sell that Bitcoin, but they are putting a lot of cash. They're expecting to get paid a lot if we go into 40K. They don't have a certainty. This doesn't mean that we are going to 40, but they are kind of wanting to hedge that possibility in a big way at the moment. So if we knew there, I want to get paid a lot. That's pretty much the takeaway. So what is currently the risk? And this is the hidden risk that no one understands and that makes me talk like a retarded. And I don't intend to offend anybody ever. There is a hidden risk. This comes from an article from AI or A Invest. This does not guarantee we're going to 40K. This doesn't forecast we're going to 40K. What this article points out has to do with a gamma squeeze, one that can trigger a liquidation of longs. How does it work? The market maker of options currently needs to pay a lot if Bitcoin goes to 40K because everybody wants to be on the safe side, continue to hold their Bitcoin, but get paid by options if we go there. So the market maker has this potential risk. What if Bitcoin starts coming closer to 50? Well, that could trigger the market maker to have to sell Bitcoin to pay for the excessive amount that he needs to pay if we go to 40 in preparation for that. And that is what could trigger a gamma squeeze, which is kind of a snowball effect of people being scared of 40, betting some money, I get paid if we go there, and market makers seeing that the price is going there, anticipating that they're going to have to pay them, therefore they have to sell to have enough cash to pay those people that bet on that. And that accelerates the move into 40K. It makes it much more likely if we get into 50 that there's some sort of acceleration. If we hit that gamma squeeze recipe, of course, it's just speculative, but there is a real risk of that acceleration. Now, you do not need really to understand options to see that. You can see that there is a huge amount of liquidations right there. There is a depression around